Hey Ryan, what are we gonna do? Ryan Carey, do you want to go outside? Ryan Carey, come back. Come here. Ryan Carey, come here for 1 second. Are you trying to open the doors, dude? Are you ready to go? Are you excited to go outside? Yeah. Show me how excited you are. Can you do your excited dance? Oh, you're going to just open the door yourself, are you? You are so very big. Are you doing your silly walk? Show me your excited dance. Are you excited? Okay, I should probably take him off.